Hey everyone, it's Alex Ward here, your favorite broker owner of Maxwell Devonshire Realty. The February stats are out and there's some really good news that I'm really excited about sharing with you today. For starters, the months of inventory has dropped from 5.27 in the month of January to 4.38 in the month of February. What does this mean for you? Well, this is great news as it means we're really going closer and closer to a buyer's market, and we're actually trending towards a soft seller's market. Overall, this is pretty good. It means we're still in that balance stage. Rates seem to have flattened out for the moment. We'll wait and see if the Bank of Canada changes that going forward. However, this is still really price point specific. If you're looking in that $300,000 to $500,000 range for a single detached home, you're really seeing that market tighten. Overall versus the last year, of course, sales are down, but we actually have less new inventory this February than we did in 2022. So that means we're having less properties come on the market. Buyers are starting to come out a little bit more, which means that's what's pushing our months of inventory down. If more buyers continue to come out and more sellers decide to list, we will remain in that balanced market. So we're kind of on that tipping point going into March, but prices have remained flat. Days on market has gone down. We're really trending in really good directions. So let's take a look at the stats and then we'll chat about it afterwards. As you can see, what I was mentioning earlier, our months of inventory has dropped to 4.38, down from 5.27. After a couple of months of continuing months of inventory, we're now starting to see a decline, which is normal around this time of year. You also can notice that we're just trending on a really strong balanced market and a soft seller's market. Again, we're seeing number of sales increase month over month. We're seeing new total amount of inventory increasing month over month, and we're seeing new listings increase month over month. The new listings, though, is actually significantly less than it was February 2022, which means that though we might not have the same number of total sales, it does mean that we could see a seller's market if new inventory doesn't continue to come online. Days on market has also dropped down to 57 days, but we're still seeing the majority of our sales occur between that $300,000 to $600,000 mark, with the majority of them happening between $300,000 and $500,000. Once you get above $600,000, the number of sales really starts to decrease, but doesn't mean that there's still not buyers out there. That's just where we're seeing the majority of the inventory stay on market a little bit longer. What's really interesting about this slide is that we're seeing the sales to new listing ratio has drastically increased over the month of January 2023. However, it is significantly down from February 2022, which is no real surprise, again, as that was the busiest real estate market Edmonton has seen since the boom in the early 2000s. Another good sign is that we've increased your likelihood of selling within 90 days or less up from the month of January. Prices remain relatively flat, still quite a bit lower than they were in February 2022 or February 2021. But again, those were the two busiest real estate markets we've ever seen. So hard to compare to those. But overall, we've remained pretty flat when the rest of the country, other than Calgary, seems to be declining in price. So us remaining flat is a really good sign for our longevity and strength of market. Now that we've had a chance to actually look over the stats, if you have any questions and would like to reach out to one of our professional realtors, call us at our Edmonton office, 780-438-2500. Or if you live in the Sherwood Park area, give us a call at 780-464-7700. Of course, you can visit us on our website, www.maxwelldevonshirerealty.com, or visit us on any one of our social media platforms and just click that like, subscribe, or follow button. And all of our social media platforms are Maxwell Devonshire Realty. Otherwise, I hope you're having a fantastic day, and whether you're buying or selling, one of our professional realtors would love to help you. See you.